Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Guys, this week is probably my favorite one of the 7 habits of highly effective people, because we're working through that. If you haven't been here, welcome. Today, we're talking about seeking first to understand, then to be understood. And I just want to stop because we started talking about it a little bit last week.
I was trying
you
much.
were trying really hard, but I want to just kind of set the stage here. Like, this is my phone screen. It has seek first to understand, then to be understood. It's my wallpaper on my phone because this specific habit hit me so hard when I read it. And I realized how much I just run my freaking mouth and don't try to understand other people. I just try to be understood. It hit hard. So, Eddie, I know you have a lot of thoughts on this, though. So let's dig in.
Yeah, I entered the thought, use the phrase, help me understand. Yeah. And that has been a hack.
Yeah.
So many times when we come to the table in meetings, the way you phrase something, the way you approach, it really matters. If you can disarm somebody that is worked up, you can get a lot more out of them.
Yeah.
One of the ways to disarm somebody that's kind of worked up is to flip the script a little bit. And instead of coming at them with all your stuff, I need this, I need that. This is why you suck, basically what you're saying. This is why you haven't done your job. Whatever, like you're trying to paint the picture that you're the good guy. And we do that a lot in construction.
Yeah.
We do that via email. We do that. It's like paint the picture that I've been the good guy that did no wrong the whole way because I don't want to get sued. Yeah. I don't want to lose money.
Yeah.
I don't want to be liable.
Yeah.
So create the paper trail.
Yeah.
If you will go in and it's just help me understand why. And then enter the issue. Help me understand why we keep revising drawings. You might find out that they're owner-driven revisions.
Yeah.
You might find out that the owner-driven revisions are at the hands of a whole board of people. And, it's somewhat out of the control of the person that you were mad at. Help me understand your intent, Mr. or Mrs. Engineer.
Yeah.
That is a big one for engineering. It's like, help me understand your intent. That means I'm really trying hard to do what you want me to do.
Yeah.
I want to match your intent. And that's an engineering word that gets thrown around a lot. Words matter.
They do. They do.
And help me understand is a key that's going to unlock the door of I get to have your why now.
Yeah.
That is a big thing when it comes to calming your butt down when you're worked up.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's amazing when you just see the other side. I've actually got a whole story around this, but I'll save that.
No, I want to hear the story. Go for it. Go for it. How long is it? Are you going to spin the yarn for like 30 minutes here? Or like, do I need to go get a fresh cup of coffee or?
I'll tease it a little bit, but I've been watching this show, Shrinking. And
it's so good.
There is an episode where the main character has a situation play out where he has to go and understand somebody he absolutely does not want to understand.
Yeah.
I don't want to spoil it.
No.
Because this is a huge spoiler.
It is.
But there was a moment, I actually watched this episode last night where it was like very difficult for a person who had been harmed in a life-altering way by somebody and was a therapist to help the person that harmed them.
Yeah.
And the guy's daughter calls him out and said, your life is literally about helping everybody.
Yeah.
But you can't help that guy because he wronged you. You're not the person I thought you were. Because you're a therapist. You say you want to help everybody, but
in this
somebody
situation,
wronged you.
Yeah.
And it was funny how he was the one person on the planet that could unlock it for that other guy.
Yeah.
His like that forgiveness and him reaching out was the thing that ultimately like stopped him from doing something pretty bad.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's a teaser. And
it's a great freaking show for the record. Like it is a really good show. If you haven't seen
Freaking,
it is an emotional roller coaster. And yeah, that's a great example of it. And like, I mean, I can think through my life there. Yeah, it's definitely been situations like that.
Yeah.
You know, and like, I don't want to try to understand. I don't care to understand. Like you hurt me. Screw you. Like it's so easy to get there.
Yep.
It's so easy to get there. And that's the reason why I've put this as my phone screen is because I have to have that reminder to just shut up and freaking listen, because anybody that knows me knows that I will run my mouth, run and run over people and not think and not listen. And I have to do that. So anyway, This one's powerful. Dude.
This one is powerful. I really love this
one. This one was the gut punch for me. So we're going to keep going though. We're getting close to synergy, guys.
Oh.
We're going to have to put dollars in the jar when we talk about that one. So stick around. It's going to be fun. But in the meantime, until we see you next week, go build something awesome.